Alright, check this out, the HYTE Y70. This case is seriously turning heads, and for good reason. It's not just a box, it's a statement piece. They call it a unified modern aesthetic, and I'm not gonna lie, it lives up to the hype. It comes in 4 different colorways, so you can pick one that matches your vibe. But the real star of the show is this panoramic glass. It's 3 pieces, seamlessly integrated, giving you an unobstructed view of all your glorious components inside. It's like a showcase for your build. And speaking of components, let's talk about that vertical GPU mount. It's not just a mount, it's an experience. HYTE includes a PCIe 4.0 riser cable, which is a nice touch, and it even has a color match canopy. This keeps the visual flow clean and uninterrupted. You can fit a massive 4-slot GPU in there, and it'll look absolutely stunning. Now, if you're a cooling enthusiast like me, you'll love the options this case offers. You can fit a 360mm radiator on the side, a pretty thick one at that, up to 125mm. And on top, you can fit another radiator, up to 68mm thick. Plus, there's room for fans on the bottom, either 3 120mm or 2 140mm. So, no matter how power-hungry your system is, you can keep it running cool and quiet. But it's not just about the big features. It's the little details that really set the HYTE Y70 apart. They've got these helpful labels throughout the case, which makes building a breeze. Reusable Velcro straps for cable management, floating storage sleds, and a satisfyingly clicky blue power button. It's clear that HYTE put a lot of thought into the user experience. The build quality is top-notch too. They use premium materials, and the tolerances are tight. The panels are toolless, which makes accessing your components super easy. And there's tons of space in the rear chamber for cable management, so you can keep everything nice and tidy. So who is this case for? Well, if you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who appreciates a beautiful and functional PC case, the HYTE Y70 is definitely worth checking out. It's a bit on the premium side, but you get what you pay for. You're getting a stunning case with excellent cooling potential, thoughtful features, and a premium build quality. It's an investment in your setup, and it's one you won't regret. This case is a serious contender for one of the best-looking and most functional cases on the market right now. So, if you're looking to upgrade your build and make a statement, the HYTE Y70 might just be the perfect case for you.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.